Welcome back to my channel, guys. Joy of risk, target one wave. So last week was a good week and market has moved as expected, and I hope you have made a lot of money with that. Okay, so this week we'll again start with the DXY pair and let us see what last week we said. We said last week, I hope this is the last week video. This is, you are saying this is the last week video. We said market will be pushing down, one push, small push up, and it will be crawling up. And let us see what market has done. See, little more small push up, a deep pull back, that I can say a three-wave character structure or kind of three-wave moves. That is fine. So from here it started to push up and it broke the bottom. Anyway, we were expecting to break the bottom here, and exactly the market broke the bottom here. Okay, so this is good. Anyway, the market is going as expected. Okay, so right now the market is over here, and for this week we expect for DXY we expect market to crawl up only. We expect market to crawl up, just crawl up. Okay, just crawl up in this area. This is what we'll be expecting, market to just crawl up, filling the gap, crawling up, pushing down. Whenever it push downs, you should go for a crawl up. You can use support and resistance or not the trend line concepts here, for your levels. Okay. Next, let us see EURUSD. EURUSD, last week we said market will be pushing up. Instead of that, market started to crawl down. Eventually it gave a small push up. You can see the small push up here. From this level it started to push up, but it didn't go as expected. That's fine. I think we should be in a break even or a kind of a small loss. I agree with you if you have taken the trade here. Okay, now, and I'll just show the scenario of the last week so that you will have an understanding here. EURUSD last week, it was quite little messy because federal rates did not, they have just maintained as it is. There was no big impact on federal rate. That is why they have just kept the EURUSD and all the major pairs in one direction. I mean the same direction, the kinds of consolidation I said. Okay, so anyway, fine. Let us see what last week I have said here in EURUSD. Yeah, this is what I said, right? EURUSD, it will be going up. That is what we said, correct? That is what it has happened here. Next, so for this week what we expect here is market still we expect, since a lot of consolidation has been happened, there are two to three structures that EURUSD can do. One is market can climb up till here then fall. This is one structure. Nor market can push up. In both the case scenarios, we are only seeing the market seems to be going to this level. This is a level. Okay, let me just give you, since we have taken a loss in EURUSD, let me go a little more depth here so to you to understand. So we're expecting in this level the market to come here. So we are expecting market from here to here. I hope with this trade you will recover all your profits. Let's hope so, because in every possibility that I am seeing that this move, this small push up is possible. Okay, so that is how we will trade in our Discord also. Whenever we take a loss, we'll see what is the next highly profitable trade in a smaller momentum or a smaller wave. With that move we'll try to make, because the higher momentum is not here. Because if you see, we are expecting good higher momentum, but the high momentum did not come. So right now we have only small momentums. In that case, so we are focusing on the small momentum right now. So the momentum is over here, because from here this level the market can flow down or the market can boost also. That we'll update on the after when the market comes here, because whenever the market comes here we should see the technicals, fundamentals, and other seasonality also over here, and the other factors also contributes here, economic growth also. Okay, so I hope this helps here. This will help you a lot for next week. So let us go to GBP USD. I said market will be going up. It went way up, somewhat up, and it started to fall and it broke. So as expected, it went. So if you have lost in EURUSD, in GBP you could have made a good profit. But doesn't okay, it's okay, fine. If it doesn't have made also, it's okay. But still, we can move a lot of moves here. So yeah, we'll just see what last week I have said also in GBP so that you will have an idea here. Yeah, so last week it was here, right? Yeah, it was here. See, this is the last week that I have said market will be going up and it will be falling down. It went little more up, way up, that's it, nothing else. So it went little more up and started to fall. That is what if I want to redo it, yeah, see, from here it started, it went little more up, taking another three, I think almost, yeah, 30 to 40 pips extra, and after that it started to fall and it broke the low. But our motive was breaking the low, and we were in this good trade. I mean, in this trade, this was a messy trade, I understand, but anyway, market has, even the messy structure has broken the top. That is what our thing, because we need to, it need to break our level. There are two things: it should break our level, whether it is coming in impulse wave or a corrective wave or a consolidation wave, it doesn't matter. But as long as it is coming without taking us, we should be fine. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. So let me delete this and let me see. Okay, for GBP USD right now, if you see, market is making lower highs and lower. So I expect market just crawl up a little more and make one more high bottom. But after taking the liquidity over this area, taking the liquidity, market can crawl at this area. We just can crawl over here. Over this area, it can start crawling. This is what I mean, because the liquidity above is being taken, the liquidity below should be taken off. So I expect this is what I expect market to go up and play here, and as well as just crawl, or else it can scroll in this between boxes, the GBPs. If you want to do a scalping trades, you can go and do a scalping trades here. New Zealand USD. So last week, let us see what we have said and what it has done. So last week. So New Zealand USD, these were the last week's analysis. You can see it was 5 days ago, all these things. So I'm just replaying so that I'm just saying what is the move that we were expected and what is the move that it has come. Okay, so here it comes here. We said the trend line will be respected or not. Then after that, I said market will, whether it will be falling here or it will go up. That's what I have said it here. If you see, the voice is muted here. I'm just saying here over this area. So these are the two structures that I said, but maximum probability is the going down move. That is what I said here. Okay, so let us go and see that one. So what market did is, market if you draw the trend line here, you will understand. Market started to push up, gave up, and it went up to near making a double bottom, or sorry, double top, and started to fall and broke this one. So this is how the market usually do. It's okay, fine, not an issue. But since we didn't get any perfect setup for game, because the next candle formation was green, so we didn't enter here. That's fine. But after that it gave a consolidation here, and after that it pushed up. Anyway, I showed you both the structures making the structure. So it's consolidated, it came back again, it went up, see, and after that it followed again to this level. That's fine. So right now, since the market has making a double top, so we expect New Zealand USD to just fall in the same way. Okay, this is what we are expecting in the upcoming weeks also, because since we need little more momentum for the down, and as per the technicals also, I can see some momentum for down moves is required here. Next, AUD/USD. Let us see what I have said last week and what market has done. Okay, so I drew this box over here saying that market will be just consolidating, or it will just take the liquidity above and it will push up. But what market has done, let me show you just a second. Yeah. Instead of market, what did the market do? Market just consolidated, retested this area and started to push up, and after from taking the above liquidity, it started to push down. This is what market has done here. So anyway, fine. Anyway, we were expecting a down move and we didn't get the down move or a good move. So we were also not we didn't enter here. If you have entered also, you should be if you are not entered with stop loss, then you should be in profit. If you have not and I mean if you have entered with stop loss assuming it has taken you, in that case no worries, we'll cover these losses, don't worry about that. Okay, and if you have even placed a stop loss somewhere above this, in that case if it is not, stop loss is not kin, then just close the trade right now. Okay, the way market is doing right now is quite a messy one, so it is better to be quiet here. I expect we just leave this pair and go for the other pairs, because market is not doing whatever the analysis or whatever the research which we have done over here in EURUSD. But the minimum possibility that I can see a small push up coming out, that's it. After this, market can push up or push down, anything is possible. So I expect till this area market can work out for us. This is what we can do as a scalping trade, not even a swing trade. Okay, so USD JPY. Let us see what USD JPY I have said in the last week, and we will see USD JPY. Okay, if you see USD JPY, this is USD JPY 4 hours. We said market will be pushing up, correct? This is what we have said in the last week. And if you see here, market started to crawl down, and after that it started. This is how the market plays. See exactly where the market left, market left at this point, right? And after that, the market again came back to that same point. Let me show you, because this was the last week, yeah, Monday, 10:30 p.m. This is Friday, yeah. Market and went and closed above it, and closed above this level. It is broken and it has closed. See, the bottom is not taken yet. I hope you are getting it. The bottom has not broken it. Before breaking it, it has also this can be considered as lower lower low, and this is considered next lower high. I mean higher high. So next possible is it can go still this level is intact. So I am expecting, since market has just manipulated here. If you see in the higher time frame, this will be just a pin bar, a wick, a bigger wick having at the body, or in it kind of doji candles. Okay. So I expect market to tap this level before doing any major movements. So before it taps this level, market will just be crawling and wasting the time. Okay. So I expect over tapping. This is the major level, that zone that we are having right now. So when the market breaks this level, then we'll see what is the next move. Okay, fine. So still we have a room to play here. I hope you can play with the good room here. I just wanted to show you some more analysis which we have taken here. I'll just show you a second. Let me open a Discord. If you see here, we have also posted, if you follow us in Trading View, we have also posted some weekly analysis over here. Whatever we said in YouTube, we are also posting it over here, over this area. Okay, and okay, let me show you what and all have exactly played and what has not played here. Okay, if you will, I can show you this also in the next YouTube analysis. I think so. This will help you a lot in that case. Okay, so as forecasted, okay, gold. I have not finished it, so let me count. Okay, I think we have just given the gold trades, because this trade was only private. It was shown in the private, so because that is what it's logged here. You can't see it. only we can see it over here. We have just updated on the gold trade, showing all the purpose that we have taken the profits out. But let me show you just a second. Let it be here. I'll just go it and I'll just next we'll go to gold. No, next we'll go to USDCF and we'll see what we have. I'll just come back in a minute when we go for a gold trade. Okay. So last week we'll see what USDCF we have said. USDCF we said market will be pushing down, and after that it will be pushing up. This is the last week's video. I hope you are following me. So this is what we said in the last week. Okay. And before going to gold, let me pass it and we'll go to this. Just give me a second, guy. I think it's loading. Yeah. So if you see here again, this chart, this is USD chart, right? Yeah. Okay, let's move to USD chart and we'll see what market did from the last week to this week. Okay, what we said last week, from market will be pushing down and it will be going and breaking the top. Still, market is in the process. Market has came down to the level which we were not expecting, but it just took some liquidity. If you see this, some liquidity breaking this blow absolutely, but it has taken some liquidity, very slow liquidity, then it has started to push up, and that is anyway fine. You could have entered at this area, seeing the pattern. Our traders, some of the members have entered at this area, taking the profit over here, and anyway the market has broken the top also. So still we expect the movement which we expected market has done, a level which we expected market has come. Only thing is the down momentum could have been better here, nothing else apart from that. Okay, so now what we see here is still we see the same movement, USDCF to push up. This is what we see here. Let's have a clear direction on the upcoming data. If you see, still we have a lot of data coming out in the next week. So with that data, we'll have a clear move what market will be doing ahead. This is what right now for the next week. That's what I'm giving you, just one move here, because we do not have an exact things to do. Okay, fine. Yeah, we'll go to gold. Yeah, right now if you see in gold, let us show you. The first thing is, last week we said market okay, let me play this last week video, then you will understand better. So the gold chart has come here, if you see here. Okay, so let me, these are all last week's analysis that we did. Okay, so finally we said market will be just pushing up from this level to this area exactly, and after that we said it can consolidate or it can do anything else it want, and we'll be updating the group. And see, now I'm just showing you an example that how the group works and how the market has played here. You see exactly the market have played the same way, right? Correct. The market from here to it went up, and from that level it started to consolidate. It went little more up and started to consolidate, right? And yeah, so let me show you now the trade which we have said here as forecasted. If you see in the recap, okay, this video, this was posted 3 days ago, updated 3 days ago, but posted 5 days ago, if you see here. Okay, so this was a weekly analysis which we shared on the last week, and I'm just posting it again. See, from here exactly the market did the same thing. So many members have taken, and we have put in the reasons over here also. So after having the look in YouTube, you can come to our trading view, or you can trading view and start looking over here, the fundamentals and outlook and the reaction scenario. Okay, this is quietly free for you. Only the logged symbols will not be seen to you. Only for the paid members it will be shown to you. Okay, and if you see here, we had also entered a sell trade for here, because buy trade most of the people have taken. What to say, as per the YouTube analysis, so that was great. So in the sell trade we said we will be selling here, and the fundamentals, all the technicals and fundamentals that we have given you, and the scenario possibilities also we have given you. Okay, and when we entered here 3 days ago, okay, and we updated 2 days ago, okay, here, and we see how the market has played here. And now right now we have taken the profit at this level, and we have said that, see, if you see here, um, the trade close the trade, because in break even or profit the movement is not as expected, closed manually. So we have closed this trade manually, saying that okay, anyway we have not it has not taken our stop loss, so we should be in profit. If some members have not taken the profit, also not an issue. They I mean, now they'll be in a good profit to take out at least 1:1 or 1:1.5. So they can take the amount here, and we have closed the trade right now, because the way which momentum it has gone and the data which we fundamentals has changed here. So technical and fundamentals absolutely have changed in gold. So right now we'll see in the coming week. That is what we have said here also. If you see here the gold update we have given you here, if you see the market, we said that if it breaks, then the second case 90% chance is going to downside. And we have explained, we have said that we are closing the manually trade here. I hope you are getting this idea, right? So let's go to gold right now. You see, I have shown you the trade also, which we have taken in the Discord, and it is in profit. If you are not closed, also not an issue. Right now, if you are planning to close it, then close. This is the right time also. Okay. So if you see this, was the last trade. I'll delete this line, and as well as I'll go change it to here. Okay, if you ask me why you are telling to close the trade of gold, that has two things. One is where the market seems to, because of war tension, the market can push up higher, like the momentum which it had. This is one possibility that I can see. That's what I said. Because of war tension, the market is going. And plus, one more thing is the federal rates has not changed. It's decreased or changed any rates here. So we were expecting the market, the federal rates should increase. In that case, the gold will be will be moving in that direction. Okay, but right now it has not done, and we expect right now, what we expect is, one is market can do this in the gold, but maximum possibility right now is market can push up. This is also one possibility, but in that case, market starts consolidating, making a messy wave. Then we'll have confirmation that it will be going up. Okay, this is what the correction. In case the other case scenario is, if the market starts breaking the down, I don't think so the market will be breaking the down scenario, because already it has done. This is a high probability chance again market can push up. But if it consolidates, then it will be pushing. But if it again breaks, not an issue. If it again breaks, look for the buy moves again. That's it, nothing else. And if at all market wants to break this area, I mean this bottom, then I think so we have to look into that. But right now in gold we have a quite lot of structure, I can say, because see, the last trade also which I have given was the moment after seeing the momentum, we felt, oh god, this is not how the market will move, and we stopped the trade. Okay, so market is inconsistent here. So I feel one more push up is highly possible in the gold trade. If at all it is not giving the highly possible trade, at least it will give me to this area. After that, one more push down is also possible. This is also possible in the second scenario. So I'm giving you all the possibilities, all these things, and with the fundamentals, it will be uploaded in my trading view. Also, you can come and check it over here if you have any doubts over here. Okay, because I am getting many requests that many people are not getting knowing English, so they want to convert in their language in some other languages. Okay, so in that case I have just posted that fundamentals in the trading view, so that they can translate via some other resources and easily see, because text can translate easily, right? That's what I am doing. So these are the two possibilities that I can see. But right now, highly, if you ask me, what to say, the better moment is this moment. If you ask me the confirmation, which is a highly possibility trade in both the cases, ups also, down also, this is what I am saying. Till this level, this is the level that I have, 3400 level, this is the level that I'll be looking, or below that I will be looking. And if after seeing that level how the market reacts, then I'll look for the buy trades or the sell trades, or keep on holding this. But the first take profit will be here only. My take profit will be here. Okay, so with this, okay, now let's go for Nifty 50. See, I said Nifty 50 last week. Let us see what I have said in Nifty 50, then we'll come to here. last week Nifty 50 I said market will be just consolidating, okay. Okay, this is BT, it has come to BTC. Okay, see, this is what I said, it will be just consolidating at this range area, okay. And let me see what market has done. Exactly, market has done the same thing because of the war tension. We are not just saying because the fundamental which we do, right, it's in depth. I'm saying it is in depth, and you should if you want to learn, then you should also join our community, and you will be really good and good analysis for the forex and other stuff. I'm saying, okay. So that is what reading things and knowing things is very important. Before you invest money, you should know what type of thing. That's what you will have. When you do that, then you will enjoy your time and enjoy your freedom, which most of the people will not have the freedom to enjoy. Plus, they will have a peace of mind also. That most people will, or not most, all the people will not have that peace of mind. Okay. So right now also the same escalations. I expect market just to consolidate because of war tension. This is what I'll be expecting still more. Okay. Since it is a war tension, we will not be, so it will be a very complicated situation in India. So if you want, you can leave this pair right now because and look into other pairs. Okay. So BTC USD. Let me show you what BTC USD has done, and let me show you what it has done. So BTC USD last week we said, this was the last week's analysis that we said, and we said market will be just going up, and that is what in the last week also we said that it will be happening. So this is what we said market will be doing the next week, coming week. That is what we said in the last week, okay. And let us see what market has done. See, market went up small and pushed down, and after that started to push up. Exactly the moves which we said, exactly the moves, right? If you see, so this is what you should know, that BTC now it is above 103. Okay. So now what do you expect? Any idea that what BTC will be doing here? Any idea do you have? If you have any idea, let me know in the comment, and let me know what is your opinion in BTC. Okay. So okay, fine, no issues. Okay, right now if you see, the BTC has to come to a level near the top level, right? 109. This is another some more pips to go for taking the top. Will it take the top? The question is, will it take the top, BTC top, or without taking the top will it reverse? That's the question. So my high probability chance is now BTC, since it has come with the speculations and these things, so I expect market to fall. This is what I'll be expecting right now in the moment. But if this structure changes, or if it takes out the top, I don't think so right now BTC will be taking out the top here. So I expect, and based on fundamentals also, I expect the market will be falling. And even technicals also showing me in that way where BTC will be falling, because I'm not seeing the volume that I'm gaining as I gained over this area. I'm not getting the volumes here. So this is just a kind of movement, a short-term movement I can say. So what I expect is the BTC to fall right now. Not right now, at least in the upcoming weeks. If it takes the top, then I'll be surprised here, and we have to do the fundamental and re-analysis parts and research part on this here BTC, and we'll let you know with the new fundamental things. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just like this and subscribe if you want to know. And if you want to know about more on the trading view, you can go and join Forex Target One Way if you see, and the link is also in the description. You can join our social media, okay, and to get latest news and latest updates. Okay, if you like to join our paid group, then I think you know where to contact and where to see the links. I hope it will be in the comment box. Okay, so with this I like to conclude my weekly analysis. Have a great week. Tata, bye bye. See you next week.